Hi, my name is Kelly Corso. I am 43 years old. I initially started coming because I had chronic bronchial issues. I couldn't breathe for a long time. And I would go to the doctor and they would give me a round of steroids and it would be better for a little bit, but it always kept coming back. So somebody referred me to Dr. Forman, and I didn't want to take steroids anymore. And the fact that it was kept coming back, I thought I needed to see him. I did think it was a bunch of hogwash, I'm not gonna lie there, but I was willing to see him because I couldn't breathe. So it's been 10 weeks now. I can breathe, I can take a deep breath, and I have to say the biggest plus from this whole thing is that when you go to the doctor for your issue, you may have many other issues, but they only want to deal with that one issue at a time. With Dr. Forman, I told him about my whole life's history of issues, from bad breath to fatigue to you name it, I told him. And with this process, he's addressing all of those issues. So not only can I breathe, I don't have bad breath anymore, or at least I'm not going to after this week. And I'm not tired anymore, just like cold hand, whatever it is. It's really amazing stuff, and I think everybody should participate.